Today, there is a vast load of information which blocks different society medium platforms. This information could be harmful without any objective and directed to a certain audience. Propaganda could be described as such information, which is used to evoke certain feelings or produce emotion and directed to a specific audience. An example of contemporary propaganda is where a website called cupcrisis.com created a piece showing the number of Americans killed by the police in comparison to other developed countries, including England, China, and Canada. The main purpose of this piece is to evoke emotion of the American citizens. This is achieved by the use of different techniques. The author used a bold red color, which highly contrasts with the rich background to present the topic of the piece and the number of American citizens killed by the police. In this piece, the author presents a video of a police officer brutally beating a victim who has already surrendered. Through this technique, the author attracts the attention of the target audience. This message qualifies as propaganda by showing the high number of American citizens killed by the police in 2015 only. This is beneficial to the country as it has a great impact on how we perceive the society we are living in today. The author is selling the message to the audience to show the big gap in police humanity in the US and other countries. Also, it appeals to pity when one thinks of the high numbers of Americans killed by the police. The message shows a rough lifestyle in America, which is as a result of police brutality, with more than 90% of brutal murders by the police. The American citizens are facing a threat from the police, and thus reforms in the defense ministry should be done. This message could be interpreted differently by different people based on several circumstances. One could argue that the piece of message is neither beneficial nor harmful. This is because it does not show why the person was killed. Considering this argument, it can be argued that people killed could be guilty or in the case of self-defense. Also, the US has more than 50 states. Therefore, one could interrupt it by which state has the highest number of killings. This message can be termed as propaganda. However, there is a lot of information which is missing. First of all, the message does not present the main reason for police brutality in the United States, and the reason for the killing were presented. It could, therefore, but concluded if it is indeed police brutality or otherwise. Another thing which has been omitted in the message is the description of police brutality. On which basis did the author collect the information and what did he consider as brutality or not? Lastly, the message failed to present the audience with the basis under which the survey, or rather the methods used to collect the data. This data could be true or just mere accusation. Therefore, despite qualifying as propaganda, the message has still omitted some important information.